When creating a scholar-written document, it is required to cite another existing document as a proof of study. Searching for relevant sources may be a little bit difficult sometimes. That's why it is beneficial that you have an understanding of database navigation. This will help you familiarize yourself with the search platforms and learn more about the feature that they have to offer.
Hello, to access a JSTOR through Taylor's Library, we have to first go to Taylor's Library website. Under Research tab, we're gonna find a online database. Click on it and then we're gonna see a variation of letters starts from A to Z. Let's find one with J. After we press on it, first we're gonna see is a JSTOR link. Press on it and then we're gonna be sent it to a JSTOR website. Congratulations, now you entered a JSTOR.
JSTOR is a digital library for scholars, researchers, and students, providing access to more than 12 million academic journal articles, books, and primary sources in 75 disciplines. There are potential contents involved in JSTOR, such as area studies, art, business, and economics, and history, humanities, law, medicine, and allied health, science and mathematics, and social science.
Before we can start searching, we first need to define our topic, and in our case, we're using creating new experience to promote culture. Here's the topic. First, we need to list down our keywords and build a keyword bank. From the title, we can take immersive experience and promote culture. Using the keyword building skills such as broader terms, narrower terms, and related terms, as well as variations of the words and etc., we can get this. From immersive experience to interactive installations to virtual reality to mixed reality to projection mapping, augmented reality, digital art museums, art installations, and many more. In the promote culture branch, we can see the variations of the word promote, such as promoting, preserve culture, intangible heritage, and an even narrower term, Indonesian culture or Malaysian heritage. Now that we have our keyword ready, let's jump back to JSTOR. Okay, so now that we're back in JSTOR, we can start searching with the keywords that we've built earlier. Here in JSTOR, we have the basic search, the advanced search, and the text analyzer that is a unique feature to JSTOR. Now I'm going to explain the Boolean operators and, or, and not, which is one of the searching skills. The AND operator limits your result to only those that contain both keywords. So for example, if I were to type immersive experience and promote culture, this will ensure that your results will contain both of the keywords, which is immersive experience and promote culture. Next is the OR operator. The OR operator expands your results to those that contain both or either of the keywords. Because virtual reality and VR is an acronym, I want to make sure that I get all relevant sources pertaining to virtual reality by typing in virtual reality in a phrase and VR. This will contain results that contain either or both of the terms. For the NOT operator, we can reduce our results by excluding the second term. So immersive experience, not games, will give me results with immersive experience but not games. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, so now I'm going to talk about the searching skills number 3, which is truncation. It means by placing a symbol at the end of the word. This enables the researcher to look for varieties of endings from that particular word. Like for instance, if we type literal with a symbol asterisk at the ending, it will come up with results such as literature, literacy, and literal. While next is wildcards. This is a technique used by placing a symbol at the end of the words to find variants in it. For example, if we type analyze ANALY symbol E, it will show result with analyze ZE and SE at the ending. Alright, moving on, we are going to talk about the basic search. Let me show you how to do basic search. The search box on the front page of the JSTOR allows the basic search. Once you run the JSTOR, you can narrow down the results in several ways. Like for example, they're showing the content such as the journal, books, and research papers. Or you can also narrow down the results using the publication date from the frame of this year to this year. So the result that you want to find is more precise. And also, from the results list, you choose the results and you can see the content type, the title, the author, the journal title, the publisher, the date of publication, and some topics of text about the article. If you have found results that you wanted, click into it, and now you can choose either you want to download as PDF, cite this item, or add to my list. From citing this item, it copies the citation either in APA, MLA, or Chicago style. Adding to my list allows the researcher to add it to their reading collection and to be easier for future reference. Thank you.
After entering JSTOR, we have two options of search, a normal search and advanced search. Let's look for advanced search. In advanced search, we can mention our topic and then also point if it's author, item title, abstract, or caption. Also, we can say if it's article, a review, or book, and so on. We're also able to choose different languages. Also, we can mention the year and months and date of the article needed, journal or book title, and also we have a different choices here where we can look for art and art history, archaeology, and such. After we mentioned all needed points, we can press search and it will find us a needed information.
So another feature that JSTOR provides, it's called the text analyzer. As you can see, this is still in beta. So what this feature do is enable you to use your own documents to search for articles and books. So how do this work? You can either paste your URL code of your document, or you can just drag and drop the document here. They will attempt to analyze the keywords. And the article we're using is this one, Alternating Reality and Interweaving Narrative of Physical and Virtual Cultural Exhibitions. Okay, just give it a few seconds, and then yeah. As you can see, they come up with an analysis on which term to be prioritized in, which then you can further customize the priority by dragging the slider here. And if you want to add another term, you can just write it here, or you can choose from one of these topics, which is organized into categories. And as you can see here, the results will came up in real time. That's pretty much it. Bye-bye.